There are several AI art generators available in the world, each with its own features. In my personal experience, I started using Midjourney because it produced the best pictures and was free to use initially. However, the free trial has been discontinued, and now you have to pay for a membership to use it. So I did some research to find a free alternative, and that's how I came across Leonardo.ai. Leonardo.ai is a popular AI art generator that has recently gained a lot of attention. It's known to be as good as Midjourney, but the best part is that it's completely free to use. If you want additional perks, you can upgrade to a paid version as well. Signing up for Leonardo.ai might be a little tricky, but I'll walk you through each step so you can create your account. First, click the link in the description below this video to get to the website. Once you're there, the page will look similar to this. Next, click the Early Access button here and enter your email in this box. After that, click the button to submit your email. Then, click the button to join Discord. Click here to accept their invitation, and if you already have a Discord account, you can join their server directly. If you don't have a Discord account, don't worry. You can create one for free. Just download the application to your computer and then join their server. This window will then appear asking you to select the language you speak. You can select one or more languages or choose not to select any by clicking skip. Next, it will ask you what you want to do with their AI. Just select Create Art and then click Next. Then, check these two boxes to acknowledge that Leonardo.ai is a separate web application and click Finish. You will then enter their Discord server, which will look similar to this. Scroll down on the left-hand side of the page and click on Priority Early Access. Next, scroll up and click on Form, and then select Yep to be taken to a new web page. Quickly fill out the information so you can access Leonardo.ai. So under Have you joined the Leonardo.ai Discord, select Yes. Then add your Discord username, which you can find on the Discord application at the bottom right corner. Then add the email you used to sign up for Leonardo.ai. Then finally, add your first name and click Submit. Once you've joined Leonardo.ai's Discord server, go back to Leonardo.ai and click Launch App. Next, click Yes, I'm whitelisted, and then click here to log in. If you used a Gmail account, just click Sign in with Google to log in. If you didn't use a Gmail account, enter your email information and click Sign in. Sometimes it may not recognize your account, so if that happens, click Sign Up and enter the email you used to sign up earlier. Congratulations, you can now use your Leonardo.ai account completely for free. You can see all of these images created by other people in real time. This website is much easier to use than Midjourney, which is a plus. To make your own image, you have to start with a prompt. To do this, you need to click on a button that says AI Image Generation. Then you can type in a description of what kind of picture you want to create. For example, you can type in astronaut laying in flowers, top view, cinematic, dark light, beautiful colors, detailed, 4K. Wait for the image to be created, and you will see a row of images to choose from. So here's how you can make the most out of the free version of Leonardo.ai. The free version only allows you to generate 150 images, but then it resets every 8 hours. To get the most images to use per prompt, select 1 under the number of images it generates per prompt. This way, you'll get 1 image per description so that you can input more descriptions of the images you desire. Once you've generated some images, you can pick your favorite and download it by clicking the Download Image button. This will then open a new page. Then, right-click on the image and click Save Image As to save it to your computer. If you want to edit the image, you can click the Edit in Canvas button, which will take you to a page where you can make changes. Now get started yourself and create some beautiful images yourself with the power of AI. Now that you know how to use Leonardo.ai, watch this video here to learn how to make passive income with ChatGPT and Leonardo.ai.